I'm John DeVivo, General Manager here at Franconia Notch State Park, and of course the Cannon Mountain Aerial Tramway is one of our primary attractions. So Cannon Mountain was actually started from a business perspective in 1938 with the original launch of the Aerial Tramway.
More than 50 years of park development have made Franconia Notch a place visitors return to year after year. America's first aerial tramway was built on Cannon Mountain in 1938. In 1980, it was replaced with cars with windows in all directions.
Beautiful day today. We'll start by looking west, which is out the other side from myself.
The tram car glides up from the valley. Sensation of movement comes only from the trees and rocks moving beside skiers and sightseers.
So the success during the summer months really stimulated the ski industry here in New Hampshire and then nationwide. Most people recognize Cannon as New England's premier skiing destination, or certainly New Hampshire's premier skiing destination. At 4,100 feet, there aren't too many 4,000 footers. Throughout New England, Cannon has the highest elevation and the largest vertical drop in New Hampshire, and is one of the top 5 or 6 in all of New England. Serviced by the Aerial Tramway, of course, we've also got a summit lift as well. So people want to come here because you've got this iconic Aerial Tramway. It's the only one in New Hampshire. There are only 2 of them in all of New England, and there are only 24 aerial tramways in all of North America. So people come here for the attraction, and then they get here and they're stricken by the scenery of the place. I mean, you're looking out at mountains, lakes. There's a 118-mile view on a clear day, which is fantastic. You can see 4 different states and into eastern Canada. I mean, it's pretty darn cool once you get up here and experience it. There's also what we call the Rim Trail. It's a nice 20-minute walk all the way around the summit with several rock outcroppings and whatnot. So yeah, here at Franconia Notch State Park, we really do consider this to be the flagship state park in New Hampshire. We're very proud of our heritage within New Hampshire. We really want to give people a sense of being when they're here, and we want them to remember us for their entire lives once they've gone.